Hello and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Litecoin. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so Litecoin on the daily candlesticks, the first thing that you guys can see, we do have a bullish flag pattern right here that we broke bullish out of that took us all the way up to about $141 here. Then we pulled back down to major support at $113, and now we're starting to bounce off of that level. So what I think is going to happen here for Litecoin is a break up through this local resistance right here that should take us to a new local high. So our local resistance is $146, and I think we will break through that level and see a new local high very soon. There's a lot of reasons for this. One of the main reasons is because this is a big wave one. So we have wave one right here and wave two, and we're starting wave three. So wave three, by definition, is going to be bigger than wave one. So if this Elliott wave count is correct, then it pretty much has to break above the top of wave one. So that would look something like this, right? And honestly, it'll probably be bigger than wave one will be. So it would look something like this, where you have a big breakout up through resistance, wave three starts, and then we, wherever wave three tops out, we go for wave four and then go for wave five after that. So that's one of the reasons I think Litecoin will break through local resistance here, is because of this Elliott wave structure. The other thing that I see here with Litecoin is on the 8-day candlesticks. If you zoom out here a little bit into the bigger time frame, you can see that Litecoin has broke bullish out of a horizontal consolidation range. So we have this horizontal consolidation right here. We broke bullish out of that level, which is very bullish. This is exactly what happened to Bitcoin back in 2016 when Bitcoin broke out of resistance and started its bull market and led to the 2017 bull market, which was one of the biggest Bitcoin bull markets in terms of percentage gain and hype and excitement in the markets that Bitcoin had ever seen. So you can see here, here's Bitcoin on the right, here's Litecoin over here on the left. Both of them doing that ABC correction down, as you can see, and both of them doing that sideways consolidation right here before they break bullish and start to see more upside. So you can see this sideways consolidation, then we break bullish and we start to see more upside on Bitcoin. So really, both Litecoin back in the day and Bitcoin today are both doing the exact same market structure. So what I think is going to happen from here, we'll get another bullish break here, like I said, up through local resistance and go for wave three, which should coincide with this breakout over here on Bitcoin. That same kind of vertical break, I think, will happen for Litecoin very soon. So that's kind of what I see on Litecoin here in the bigger picture. I think if this fractal continues to play out, it will continue to look more and more like Bitcoin back in 2016 and 2017, where it just steps up higher and higher and eventually goes parabolic in a bull market. So once you go parabolic, then the momentum is moving faster and faster, and that's why you get this steeper and steeper shape to the chart, right? That's why price keeps accelerating faster and faster and getting steeper and steeper, because people are getting more and more excited as time goes on. So that's what I think is going to happen here for Litecoin. We will continue to see more bullishness. People will get more and more excited as time goes on, and it will start to ramp up and get parabolic, very similar to Bitcoin in 2016 and 2017. So that's my big picture kind of perspective here for Litecoin, I think we're pretty much right here, getting ready for a vertical break, and we should from there continue to build bullish momentum and really start to take off here. So yeah, it looks a lot like Bitcoin. I think it's gonna, like I said, break out, build momentum, and really start to go parabolic. So it's only a matter of time here for Litecoin in the big picture before we break above wave B. And I believe we're going to break above the old all-time high and go for a big bull market just like 2017 on Bitcoin. So that's what I see in the charts, you guys. I know a lot of people don't like Litecoin because it's an old coin, and people think, oh, well, didn't Charlie Lee dump his coins in 2017? Yes, he did, but the fact of the matter is big institutions are accumulating Litecoin, and follow the big money. Follow where the money's going. If people are putting billions of dollars into something, there's probably at least some degree of value in that thing. And yeah, so that's, follow the money. I think Litecoin's going to go a lot higher. And the total crypto market cap, I also believe, is very bullish. We broke out of this wedge. We're at resistance right now, but we're definitely not showing any signs of weakness. We're bouncing with strength. I wouldn't be surprised to see this resistance on the total market cap broken above, which is 3.7 trillion, which could take us to 4.2 or even higher in the short term. So Litecoin is looking bullish and the total market cap is looking bullish too, which gives me even more confidence in my Litecoin bullishness, my sentiment on Litecoin, because of the fact that the total market cap looks like it's ready to break out as well. So that confluence with the total market cap and with Litecoin working together really makes for a great opportunity, because you can see the strength in the total market cap and you can see the strength in Litecoin. So it gives you a lot of confidence that your analysis is correct. If I was seeing weakness in the total market cap, like a rejection off resistance, I definitely would have a harder time being bullish on Litecoin. So yeah, that's my update on Litecoin. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you. I appreciate you. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.